This Mazda Mazda5 boasts a regular unleaded I-4 2.5 liters/152 engine powering this automatic transmission. Wheels, 17 alloy incorporated, tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, trip computer, transmission, 5-speed sport mode automatic. This Mazda Mazda5 features the following options: tires, P205/50R17 tailgate/rear door lock included with power door locks, strut front suspension with coil springs, steel spare wheel, sliding rear doors, single stainless steel exhaust, side impact beams, seats with leatherette back material, rocker panel extensions, remote releases incorporated, mechanical fuel. Stop by today, test drive this must-see, must-drive, must-own beauty today at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3.